All right, recording.
Okay, good morning, class.
Morning.
Today we are going to talk about water and your body. So this is our agenda for the day. Obviously we're going to share the agenda, then we're going to have a bell ringer, then I'm going to explain to you why water is needed in the body for transportation, temperature regulation, lubrication, and digestion. And then we are going to sing some songs. We're going to sing Do You Shiver When It's Cold? Water Leaves Me Nice and Clean. Water, Water, I Have Water. And then we're going to do Check for Understanding. And then guided practice, closure, and homework. Yes, you're going to have homework. I know. It'll be fun though. Objectives. Our objectives and our goals for today is you will note the different ways the body uses water, and you will determine why they need water, why you need water. Okay? Alright, so for your bell ringer, you have 30 seconds to talk to a partner, and we need to talk about why do you think water is important in your body? Okay? Alyssa, what are we doing?
Discussing why water is important to your bodies.
And how much time do you have?
30 seconds.
Okay, go ahead and begin.
Keep us hydrated.
Don't shrivel up.
They should
Glass
be burnt.
foods, move to the body.
Makes us function. Helps make us function.
Well, it sounds like everybody's done talking, so, and you have 4 seconds left, so we will just stop the timer. And, stop. Electronics do not like me today. And do you want to share what your group said?
We basically talked about how we need water to keep hydrated and stay alive, basically.
Okay. Hillary.
We talked about how water is a very good function of our body, but without it, we would shrivel up and die.
Very nice. Very true. All right, so next we are going to move on to our information. Okay, transportation. Why water helps you with transportation. Water carries essential nutrients throughout your body and moves waste out. So it helps you go to the bathroom. Blood, which is mainly water, carries nutrients, hormones, enzymes, oxygen, and other life-sustaining materials to our cells. So it keeps you alive, as you all said. For temperature regulation, water has a high heat capacity. That means it will take a lot. It will take in heat, or it will give away heat, depending on if you're hot or cold. And it takes a lot before it changes matter states. So from a solid to a liquid, liquid to a solid or gas, liquid to a gas. And then it also helps the body by sweating to cool it off. You know when you guys sweat? That is mostly water, to make sure you don't get overheated and have a heat stroke or something of that nature. Okay, lubrication. The lining of various organs and the fluids between internal organs, they all contain water. And this reduces the friction between them. If you didn't have any water, your organs would just go like this and probably put holes in them all, which obviously would not be good for anyone. Or if you ate something sharp, like a Cheeto, and it had a pointy end, it would not be so good. Yeah, it hurts. So water makes sure everything does not rub together or get stuck. And then digestion. Water plays an important role in breaking down and digesting your foods. It dissolves some food and transports enzymes to the stomach and intestines. So like we were talking about with the Cheeto, it helps break that Cheeto down into really small pieces and It breaks it down into small pieces, and then so it can go through easily and get all the nutrition over to one side and all the bad stuff over to the other side. To help get rid of the waste, as it said in one of the beginning ones. Come on. Okay, now for the fun part. We are going to sing some songs to help us learn about water and your bodies. Everybody needs a song sheet. You're welcome. We are not going to do all the songs on here. We are going to start with Do You Shiver When It's Cold? It's the top one on the right column. Does everybody see that? Yes. Okay. It goes to the tune of Do Your Ears Hang Low. So that one goes, do your ears hang low, do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Does everybody know that rhythm?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ready? Okay, it goes, do you shiver when it's cold? Do you sweat when it's hot? Does your temperature stay even when you're smiling or not? Water helps to keep you cool, water helps to keep you warm. You need water in your body so your temperature can conform. Very good. What does this song tell us?
Taught us all the things that water can do for us.
And what is one of those things that water can do for you?
Help keep you cool.
Very good. Okay, the next one is we are going to go one down to Water Leaves Me Nice and Clean. This one is to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. So it's Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Does everybody know that one?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you for acknowledgement. Okay, so are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Water leaves me nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Water leaves me nice and clean, taking waste away. Every day I breathe and sweat, breathe and sweat, breathe and sweat. Water leaves me taking waste away. Water leaves me another way, another way, another way. Water leaves me another way, but I want to say, don't forget to flush. Very good. All right. Then the last song we are going to do is Water, Water, I Have Water. And this one's a little different. It is to a 4-count beat, not to a regular song. So if everybody could stand up. Yes, I know, I'm making you move. We are going to march in place to the beat. Okay? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Everybody understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. Water, water, I have water everywhere in my body. Water, water, where is water? Where is water in your body? There is water in your arms, yes. There is water in your eyes, yes. There is water. How about your bones? Yes. There's even water in your toes. There is water in your liver, yes. There is water in your brain, yes. How about your mouth? Yes. There is even water in your nose. Water, water, I drink water. I drink water every day. Water, water, I use water. I use water many ways. Very good. All right, you may all be seated. Very good. You guys did great. I know that one was a little more difficult because we didn't have an actual tone to go to like the other ones are all popular songs we all know. But I think you guys did a really good job. Now that we did all that, I want you to again discuss with a partner for 30 seconds. This time you're going to discuss in what ways does water help your body. So some of the things we talked about with your own ideas. George, what are we going to do?
Tell what ways water helps your body.
Luke, how long do you have?
30 seconds.
Very good. You may begin. I guess first.
It helps digest.
Pretty much everything we do revolves around water.
It helps our organs stay
We get all
moist.
the main points.
With water,
Yeah, hopefully.
Keeps sweating.
Stay all supposed to.
Soleil.
these are some ways to play the
Very nice. Good. And your time is up. So,
We said that there's water in your liver and it helps your organ function.
very good. This one?
We said that it helps regulate your temperature and keeps your digestive system in track.
Very good. Nicely done. Okay. Next, we are going to do a coloring activity. Yes. Oops. You only need one. Everybody gets one. Okay. In this coloring activity, you have a sheet like this. This is your body. This is you. You're going to take the song, Water, Water, I Have Water, the very last one we just did, and you are going to color the body according to the song. So it says, is there water in your arms? Yes. The arms is highlighted in yellow on your sheet. So you will pick some variation of the color yellow and you will color your arms. Does this make sense to everyone?
Yep.
I have crayons and I have colored pencils. Yeah, I'll put the colored pencils on this table and the crayons on this table. Yes. You have about 4 or 5 minutes to do this activity. So go ahead, get started. If you have any questions, just ask. I'll be wandering around the room.
Can't get a green color.
Yeah, no, I did leave the bones white because, as you can tell, this picture isn't quite complete. It doesn't show all your bones. So you may leave the bones white. You can draw them in on one of the legs or something if you would like.
I would just butcher color. I don't know if this goes to drop period, I can just color. Don't forget to color the bone. Gee, what are you going to do tonight?
He's my cover man, huh?
I think I got them all.
Five minutes.
Okay. Are you finished?
Yes,
Very nice.
thank you. I wouldn't try to pass myself, I actually did color like that in second grade.
What do you think everything comes with?
Less than 90, but
Great, thanks to you, I have pinky memories on my head. I know.
Because we're done with the PowerPoint.
Yeah, that's also a good song.
Well, it looks like everyone is about done. So we're gonna move on to the next. Now I want you all to think of one thing that you have learned today. Through all of this, including everything, what have you learned? What is the most important thing you think you have learned? And we are going to tell it individually, that you may talk with your partners. You have 30 seconds to speak with your partners. Somebody want to tell me what we're doing?
This year, we learned most important thing you learned today.
Okay, and how much time do you have?
30 seconds?
Nice. Very good. Go ahead and begin.
I'm gonna say that water equals what?
I was gonna say there's 6 things water goes through in our bodies.
At least, yes, it really goes through everything, but we don't have enough time to go through it all. Well, sounds like everyone is done. Oh, and your time is up. Now, Sir Jared, what did you learn?
That water helps cool the body.
I learned there's water in every organ.
I learned today that there's at least 6 things that water goes through. That it helps with digestive.
Water helps lubricate your organs.
We need water to survive.
Okay, very good. Nicely done. Next, you all have homework, like I said. So if you could all take out a piece of paper. You are going to create your own song.
Oh boy.
It'll be fun. You may pick any song you want, any rhythm. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's school appropriate. You're just going to take the beat. You only have to do a chorus section. I'm not going to make you do the whole song, just a chorus. And you add words about water and whatever you think. Okay? Make sense? All right, you have 1 minute left to begin working on your project, assignment. Decisions. Okay, now whatever you don't get finished in class, you have to take home and return to me tomorrow.
Hands up.
Great. Thank you for being a great class. We can.
I was working on a song.
The Cameron Wake.
We don't.
Thank you all for being a great class.
That was gonna